Greenwood was formed by a caretaker that worked down the street at St. Peter's Cemetery in 1874. There are very, very few places for African Americans to be buried post-Civil War. He brought about 10 acres of farmland, and that quickly grew to 32 acres by the end of the 1800s. Our last burial was in 1993, and it was during that time that the cemetery became abandoned.
Our main road every year would wash out, making it totally inaccessible. One of the most heartbreaking things I ever saw was a lady showed up one day and she has a walker and she's walking down the bottom of that hill. We're talking about maybe about 800-foot walk. And it hurt my heart so bad to see her having to do that. I went over to talk to her and I apologized. And I told her, I'm working on this, we're gonna get this solved. 2 days later, engineer came out, took one look at the road, and she said, you need this paved. And I said, you're damn right I need this road paved. They reached out to Engineers Without Borders, and the snowball started rolling.
This project is a bit unique for us. It was kind of the first time we had a cemetery association reach out to us to be part of bringing it back to its former glory. One of the central parts of the project was to get a better road. We've just covered it with semi-permeable pavement made out of recycled plastic from tires. So it is a really, really unique project. It's also a unique partnership. We were very lucky to connect with the American plastic makers and Aspire.
They wanted a sustainable product. Not only are these pavers permeable, which are better for the environment because it returns water back into the ground, but they're also made from recycled materials. So when they learned about that versus another concrete solution, they were totally intrigued and wanted to learn more.
The Spire Pavers turned out to be absolutely the perfect product for this project because it incorporates recycled plastics and recycled tires. So it serves the purpose of helping the drainage and helping keep materials out of landfills.
Over 6,000 tires went into the product that was used today and have been diverted from the landfill. Throughout the cleanup effort, they came across a lot of debris and things that were dumped throughout the years, and a lot of tires were removed from the cemetery where they weren't supposed to be. So cool to kind of have that circularity, and tires to be used to build this road again.
This project has been a great example of a coalition of partners coming together to make this project a reality, and it's been great to be part of that. Our design team developed the foundation design, drainage design, using these composite pavers.
Not only do we have a chance to showcase our product, but it's really involved in a project that is good for the community. I couldn't be happier with the outcome. Missouri contractors did a great job. It was the first project that they'd done with Aspire.
The easiest part of the job was installing the Aspire pavers. When you use a concrete paver, they're heavier, they're more rigid. When you're dealing with the Aspire paver, they're lightweight, you can put more on a pallet, they're easier to carry. I feel like my guys were able to install more per day than concrete pavers, so it's just the efficiency that it allows on the job site is definitely key and something that we look forward to doing hopefully here soon again on another project.
The permeable pavers has truly been a godsend here in Greenwood Cemetery. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's just perfect for Greenwood Cemetery. Most of the visitors we get are seniors. It's just going to be a game changer for them to be able to get in here and reconnect with their loved ones. In my wildest dreams, I couldn't dream that.